All right, I want to show you guys this pretty cool trick that I learned. It's like a quick way to repair all the leaks on your vehicle so you're not staining the concrete. So you don't have stuff like this. Super easy. Most of the time it's free to do this. I wouldn't really go through the whole labor of actually repairing the leaks on your vehicle. What I would do is you lay underneath your vehicle. So I'm laying underneath this one, and you can see the oil pan's leaking. It's hard for you to see, but over there is a steering box that's leaking. This is the rear main seal here is leaking. The whole transmission pan, that whole thing's leaking. The tail shaft seal is not leaking, so that's cool. The transfer case, this is leaking pretty good. So here's the trick. You find the biggest piece of cardboard that you can find laying around, and you just slide it right on under there. So let's go ahead and do that now. Slide this under. And what you got to do, this is really a key point to this, is you really got to get it positioned underneath the primary leaks really good. So we're going to need another one for the transfer case, but that's okay. We've got more cardboard here. So I'll show you how you come up with this. I mean, it's not a lot of work, guys. First, you got to find a bench that's not full of crap that you could use. So we'll just use this one here. All right, what you do is you just take this box and you reverse it so it's not a box anymore. I don't know if you guys know this or not. This didn't start off life as a box. It started off flat, like some of you think the earth is. All right, so you unfold it. All right, you got, see? Hi. And right here, this is where the seam is that's glued. If you just, you rip it, and then look at how much surface area we can fix with leaks here. So we're gonna rip it in half again, and we got 2 leak repairs. All right, let's get underneath the truck and get these put in. All right, so if you take these, all you gotta do is just, find the leak right there and go directly underneath it. It's not that big of a deal, guys. Really not. This one doesn't look like the rear's leaking, but it'll probably leak, so we might as well just put that under there. And this is how you fix your vehicle leaks. No parts needed, just cardboard. So pretty good. This is questionable though. Huh. I think it's okay. Don't worry about that, looks fine.